What's up, everybody? My name is Zach Pasquarello, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a secret marketing and sales technique that I developed 2 years ago, and this has seriously enabled me to sell my online services so much more efficiently. So I have an online bookkeeping business. Even if you have a different business other than bookkeeping, if you sell a service, more specifically an online service, but even if you sell a service in person, I think this sales and marketing technique is going to help you. So this is not only for bookkeeping business owners, this is for all business owners. And this hack has been so useful for growing my Facebook. Now I am using my computer webcam, so I do apologize if the video and the audio is not great, but I need to use my webcam and my computer so that I can share my screen. This video is going to be very technical. So if you are a business owner and you're looking to target a particular Facebook audience for sales and marketing, this video is perfect for you. Okay, so the whole idea behind this video is I'm going to teach you how to find other business owners that you can sell to. If your particular client or customer is not necessarily a business owner, this idea might still work for you, but I'm going to show you specifically how to find other business owners so that you can sell and market to them on your Facebook page. Because LinkedIn makes it really easy to search for people based on their job or their location or the school that they went to, but Facebook makes it really, really hard to search for people. You can't just search for people who live in Philadelphia. You can't really search for people that have nurse in their job title. You can't really search for people that went to Penn State University like you can with LinkedIn. So Facebook makes it really hard to find people, but I developed this awesome technique to find specific people. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to your Facebook, and let me make my face here a little bit smaller. Okay, so you need to find a Facebook group that is your target audience. This is just, for example, this is an Amazon Relay box truck group that I'm a part of, and as you can see, you can't really see on the screen there, but it has a lot of members. And you probably want to pick a group that has a lot of members in it, because we are going to, first of all, we're going to go to the members tab here. So you want to go to all of the people in this Facebook group. And the whole idea here is you're trying to friend request people in a particular Facebook group so that you can become friends with them, so that they will see your marketing content, and ultimately so that you can send them a DM on Facebook to potentially sell them your services. That's the whole idea. This video is all about marketing and sales, specifically on Facebook, specifically friend requesting people so that you can grow your following and connect with more people. Okay, so Facebook makes it really hard to scroll through this long list because they have what's called lazy scroll. So you can't just scroll all the way to the bottom, but here's what I do. So I scroll all the way to the top and I go to this tab here, members with things in common, because I find it better to friend request people that you have mutual friends with. So I'll go to members with things in common and I'll click see all. And then what you need to do here is right click and click inspect. So then all of a sudden this crazy console comes up. I have no idea how I figured this out, but I figured this out 2 years ago. So if you're on a Windows computer, just right click and click inspect, and then go to this console button right here. Click console. It tells you stop. This is a browser feature intended for developers. If someone told you to copy and paste something here, it's a hack. I promise you, I'm about to do it. So you can see me do it. You can do it if you want. But this is how I auto scroll through this long list of Facebook group members. So you go over here, and I don't know how I found this, but this is the code that auto scrolls. And so this right here is just 600. That's the number of seconds that it's going to auto scroll. So I'll change this to 20 seconds just so that we're not sitting here for 10 minutes. So I just copy and paste that, and then I paste it into the Facebook page here. So as you can see here, I pasted this auto scroll text into, after I right clicked, I hit inspect on my Windows computer, I click console, and then I pasted this right here. And you're going to see for 20 seconds, this is going to auto scroll down this list. So you can set it for 10 minutes and you can walk away and you can let this page auto scroll, and it's going to give you a long list of Facebook members who are in this group. So it's going to continue scrolling for 20 seconds, but you can make it 600 seconds so it scrolls for 10 minutes. And you can see here, I think that's been 20 seconds. So now it's done. So now we have this list, Facebook members members with things in common in this particular Facebook group. So this is a box truck group. You can pick a local group like Central Pennsylvania Support Small Business Owners. You can pick a local group if you're in Las Vegas or California or New York or Florida. It doesn't matter where you are. You can pick a local geographic group, or you can pick a particular niche. Like you can find like dads with sons who play baseball, or this is a box truck group, or you can search for moms who like to take pictures. Whatever Facebook group, whatever your particular audience is, you can find the Facebook group. You can do this auto scroll with members with things in common, and you can find this long list of people. And here's the final thing you need to do. You just control F and you can just search for owner. And so all of a sudden now I can find 24 people on Facebook who are in this Facebook group who are business owners. And me, I market to business owners, and I have things in common with these members. We already have mutual friends. So I can go through this list now and I can add all of these people as a friend. And they're box truck owners. So if my market is a box truck owner, I already have the box truck owners. We already have things in common. So I'll friend request. You can see here it's 24 people. I can search for owner. Sometimes people say that they're self-employed. Sometimes people like to say that they're the founder of a company. Sometimes people like to say they're the CEO of a company. So all of those things work for business owners. If you are a business owner and you are marketing and selling to other business owners, this is the greatest hack of all time for Facebook trying to find people to connect with. Make sure they're members with things in common so you have mutual friends, and then you friend request them. And here's the final piece of advice I have for you. Don't DM them until you've been friends with them for a month. So wait a month and then you can send them a DM. The reason I say that is because you're going to be putting out social media marketing content, and you don't want to DM them right away. You want them to see your marketing content first. For a month, they'll get to know you, they'll start to trust you, they'll learn who you are. So for me, I have a bookkeeping business, and so I create marketing content every single day for my Facebook page for business owners who need help with their bookkeeping. And then finally, so you've done your marketing, you've friend requested these people, you become friends with them. And then finally, the last thing you do is you send them a DM on Facebook and you keep it simple. All I say to these people is say, hey, I'm an accountant. Let me know if you ever need help with your bookkeeping, QuickBooks, or taxes. Thanks. That's it. I send them that DM and then I leave them alone. I don't harass them. I don't bother them. That's it for my DMs. If they respond, great. If they don't respond, great. I move on.